Abusia Yasamwa Kwaba, Mraso and Sama Koso, I would na yet bro, I will begin. So say I go can see and some of the doors with a fantastic oneXBet.com na dia sia konkwan some na dia bro 1xbet.com and nra na de mu da when the video ne metwaba me kokodi sika 1xbet.com set more gel and roll on and ye di sika wie no na ya je ni na be wi ne bia mfin ba bia sense wan susu anyi wani no set more gel and roll on to pay ni na e di afio and I dancing na chief minister na me manage na monai so na man so gina monai so and me kwedi esi akonkona yeden sam no ide bro bana pade bo twese Jobanocho the producers Kejwana Kasani Eric Asiedu Bwadi na ye be chase e dey fi match sawodo course nra the Carabao Cup Northern Forest in Manchester United first leg United nra bogumo kabiensa Northern man to be ante and Marcus Rashford again ba score sheet this yamon rasa game Forest and in Manchester United into United versus second leg wait my boguma I don't know and minim kwanya Northern Forest be kwakwa dane ade no in February but e be hwese ne honsam e be sia koyen kopion the Copa del Rey and FC Barcelona e born de nra together with other games or Sociedad e born Kaba Sociedad and to me ante results are that Werder Bremen Union Berlin born 2-1 Freiburg ne Frankfurt game no year 1-1 and Leverkusen about Bochum come you know about him to me anti we ni say results no see echo yeah shedding some mame say chan tournament no e be bounce back da echna anti shedding so say Algeria and Ivory Coast na they appear in the quarter final Senegal woman Mauritania and at 7 p.m. na fin so no Madagascar and Mozambique abo memene da 4 p.m. na Niger and Ghana game so at 7 p.m. memene da yes and no so esi etie and so hormo na 1xbet.com na kan widen some number yentwe si kakra e was na group stage games this require do quarter finals Prosper Senado and your secretary the Ghana Football Association or in somewhere to gas. Manu League na eba na back or person candidate so they say next year we Ghanaian Premier League club now ni Matima or qualify for Africa CAF Maumo until be a functional dreams and starting to the my team. Yes.
We are going to resume with match day 8 coming weekend. We can only wish all the teams the very best. And for the teams, so this is directly to the teams. Your monies are ready. So we'll ensure that you receive them. I'm sure you received the first one with the president promising you that by the time we resume, the second tranche will be ready. True to the word of the president, it is ready, and you'll get them in your bank account before you go and play, unless you have problems with your bank. So we would do that. We've also ensured that officiating and all the requirements there will be met. We've taken stock of another set of referee equipments, and so trust that there will be equipments coming to the women's game. So the lady referees will be using as we resume from match day 8, and so we expect improvements in officiating and better games going forward. We need all the big teams in the country, the men's big teams, to create women's teams. And I'm glad to hear from Accra as a folk that they are almost ready to start their women's team. We can only be proud of this and to urge all the others to also start, because it's going to be a major requirement going forward when you play in Africa. Currently, the licensing policy, every Premier League club is supposed to help a ladies team. As we resume this weekend, I will personally go around and inquire from them the kind of help they are giving to the teams they've adopted. All we are asking is that give some equipment support and technical support. Wouldn't it be nice if, let's say, Coach Zibo goes to maybe Fabulous Ladies and spend some time with the young girls?
Right. You ever say, Korokobe Fabulous Ladies has the only abasa mo bet your my team. Inti ebe head yen so be kwa wie ni ade ade study more gel and roll on eken ho na yen sam na de basan so na chief sponsor so sponsors den Danny Less Foundation adwumako sonkwa say de omo mo betetin kwala omo yado golf mo pa besin kwala no sha na kire golf first say golf eska fo agro ba say de sen kwala ni na gbe wan san wanyi to be no why tele or golf ni mo fundraising Stronkon ahese kwambia so Badwam Foundation atimi akoye Bernard Padibotwe edisa nsamrachi
Danielist Ghana ni abrantia eba golf mu obono homodin yepa na neni swade hunu baako so obeboa Ghana nkwala mbrantie ene mbaiwa ahopese obo golf na so bibinti wonya aboafo tu ne ho esi ho so obeboa mu we enam so emo odi fundraising ehyehyɛ so ewo Labadi Beach Hotel eno mu enoto ne side for atitiriwa a wode wonim die ene wonim nyam ebeta adwumadie no echi Ghana mampehini Dada John Ajekunkufo sa enso na Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Honorable Samuel Abujinapo, Minister of Youth and Sports Honorable Mustafa Yusuf eso eba dwumadi nase enomono enomampehin Dada John Ajekunkufo ebo Daniel List abaso ewo dwumadi a odesi neni so eboa se golf ebetumpon ewo oman Ghana mu osaso edutu dwa se humbehia se corporate bodies ene obibia kakra ewo nsem no ebeboa Daniel List.
His ambition to set up the school for the youth here should be lauded and supported, making an appeal for all of us to support this young leader. At age 24, he already belongs to the world class of golf. I'm sure if we should give him the appropriate support to set up the school. By the time he's 30 and going on to 40, I wouldn't be surprised he might really become Africa's Tiger Woods here from Ghana. And not only that, he would have helped all the youth who have assembled here tonight with us, some of them to also come through, to also follow him into the championship class of the world. So with this opportunity, I want to thank all of you for giving me your ear or ears and to make an appeal to you. Whatever you can contribute to support Danny to realize this vision and ambition, please let's do voluntarily and pray that he will succeed.
Owieye ena sports minister Honorable Yusuf Mustafa eso edin semwe etuja
to be supported, and I commend Danny List and his team for this vision and your commitment to the promotion of golf in Ghana. Golf is one of the oldest sports in our country, yet it is one of the most inaccessible to the general public, and the reasons varied. Golf was being played in the country long before golf clubs and associations came together to form the Ghana Golf Association of Ghana in the mid-70s. Despite being in existence for about 5 decades, golf is largely inaccessible because it's seen as a sport for elite, as President Kufuor said, reserved for the affluent society. This erroneous impression, coupled with lack of facilities for the games, has led to the knowledge of the golf and the limited interest. Sports in general is a mass game which should be accessible regardless of one background or status. And golf should not be different from football, boxing, athletics. It should be known to all and accessible to all. But for that to happen, they have to be facilities, and they have to be deliberate efforts to promote it in schools and in communities. And an initiative such as this, raising funds with a view to promote the sports, is a right step towards attaining the above objective. The Ministry of Youth and Sports.
Wow, anybody foundation here, China, Sunny, ABC, Ako. And so, Hodomo and OneExpert.com channel. So, Mammy, someone can want to pay. And in some idea, bro, we're better OneExpert.com. Chief has meshed out by Janazo. obema jina nan so bememu obemu Chief Asmesha senti more gel and roll on so kan wa ene sam na de bro pain be kwa senti more gel and roll on opon anwumra na wajibi coffee and the fa ho kakra be do asoro be kasa magic no pacho massage for kromo ina no say o mu use o man for so 2 ton panty frɛ 0208 986731 and 0208 219129 and senti more gel and roll on penny for train komo mo Simon main station and I feel so tema yes I'm gonna kan one up ya yada wo kan say brɛ wo Badwam so yenyina so na yem fancy Bernard Padibotwe Sergio Marucha producers sa so na Imageware share matade and nanopa Imageware on Instagram and social media check out Imageware mema niamana or yene need to say yes yana wa kaide nankasa ka kejware ho Erica Siedu body ne ko so ahwe Badwam